Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable adaptive tone on Insta360 X5. To do it, click on the button, slide up, then you'll have adaptive tone in top right corner. That option will only show if the mode that you're currently using supports it. In my case, it does support it. You can see there are requirements. It's either 8K up to 30 FPS or 5.7K requires HDR and maximum 30 FPS. And now it is in this mode and it's gonna record with the adaptive tone, which is just like video color enhancement. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.